Welcome back to my channel, my sweethearts. Okay, you guys, today we are doing some medium box braids. I haven't done some in a long time, so you guys are gonna love this and you're gonna love how easy it is. You guys, let's get started. Oh yeah, you guys, and I use all my braids with Shine and Jam, either the yellow one or, as I'm using right now, the red. Guys, if you guys want to get your parts extremely straight, I suggest you get a mirror and put it in front of you, and then you'll have another mirror behind you, and you can be able to part your hair out straighter that way, or obviously have somebody else help you out, but grab the mirror and it works out just fine. We got to make sure we get in the back of that neck, okay? So get that Shine and Jam with those edges in the back so you can slick those up. Because when you put your hair in a ponytail, you don't want to see any, any naps on the round or edge of your styled hair. All right, you guys, I'm using Spectra 25 inches. This pre-stretched hair works great for singles, ponytails, basically any type of braid. I love using it. I get it at my local beauty supply. You can get it from Amazon, of course. Now the way I grip with my pointed, my middle, and my thumb, and I grip it together and I push it all into the one braid. You have to look at it really, really easy. If you like, rewind it slowly and take a look on how I grip it. It grips it very, very strong. It will not slip out. Believe me, I've done these braids so many times. I never have a problem with the braid slipping out when I do it this way. This is not obviously the feed in, but I will probably do a feed in on my next video. All right, I'm gonna speed it up just a little bit for you guys. And remember, if you really cannot part the back of your hair, please get somebody to help you. It really matters if someone helps you if you can't do it. Because I know when I first started, it was kind of hard, and having a helping hand helps. So guys, I'm using Cantu Shea butter. I actually added some oil to it. It's this growth oil that I added to it. It's like minty. It smells so good, but it's getting my hair really, really thick. As you can see, I got some thick hair right now. That's because of it. I'm also using Lotta Body to keep it nice and moist. It just glides right off my fingertips, and it'll be perfect to keep moisture in your hair when your braids. It's protecting basically your hair. All right, my sweethearts, I'm going to let you watch and catch up, and I'll see you at the end. braid, everybody. Almost done. All right, you guys, I boiled some water and I dipped it myself just to make it, to keep it loose, to get it nice and loose. It's not all stiff when you dip it up in hot water. If you have somebody else dip it for you, it'd be easier for you so you won't hurt yourself. So be careful if you are dipping your hair in hot water. All right, you guys, this Maximum Shine Wave Mousse, I love it. I have 3 different kinds of it, but I like this a lot. It holds all of your hair together. I like putting it on after tight braids, just to keep them tight, and it takes away the flyaways. So put as much as you like on it, and this white will disappear in seconds. So no worries about the white. All right, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Alright, you guys, you know I love my 24-hour edge tamer. I put it on for my side little burns, and they work just fine. I don't be getting all that white residue at the end. It holds all of my edges down, and it's just my favorite product for my edges. And this is the ending project. I really like it. You guys, look how long it is. 25 inches. It doesn't seem that long, but I like this length. It goes great with me and my daily routines of what I do around the house. So it's not directly in my face. I can put it back, put it up. You can style this any way you want it, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, my sweethearts, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next video.